Hello guys, in this video we will see how to change the hostname in Parrot OS. First open terminal and verify the hostname for the Parrot OS. See, this is the hostname. Verify hostname, give just hostname. See, this is the hostname. Okay, we can also get the hostname by running the command more /etc hostname. Hit enter. See, this is the hostname. Or control L can also get from the etc hosts. See here, whatever is there with this IP, that is 127.0.1.1 Parrot. See, this is the hostname. Okay, Q to quit. Or also we can verify the hostname by hostnamectl. See, hostname is static, hostname is Parrot. We can change the by changing the /etc hosts or hostname file. Okay, or by using set hostname command. I will show you all three options. But after changing, best practice to reboot the system. So first change by using sudo vi /etc hostname. Hit enter. Remove dd, remove that file, press I to insert mode, then give the name Parrot 62VM. Save the file, but still now verify. See, still it is showing old one. Exit. Also try to open and verify. See, still it is showing same. Okay, and otherwise sudo vi /etc hosts. So change this one. In the third line, see here, for replace this Parrot with shift A Parrot 62VM. Save the file. Exit. Now verify hostname. See, still it is showing same old one. Okay. Now I am going to restart to see whether the changes are going to affect or not. I will log in back once it is restarted. See, we have restarted. Open terminal. See, hostname has been changed. Even if you type hostname, see, new hostname is there. Now also verify hostname ctl. See, hostname is changed. We can also change the hostname by hostnamectl set -hostname, then provide the new name. I am giving Parrot. This time I am removing 62. Instead of 62, I am giving 6VM. Hit enter. It is done. Now type hostname. See, hostname is changed, but still it is showing 62VM. If you exit and you can open the terminal, that changes will be affected. See, hostname is changed. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to change hostname by using different methods on Parrot OS. For more videos, please, for more tutorials, please subscribe my channel.